Hi! In this tutorial, I will introduce you to BitSocial. BitSocial is a powerful WordPress plugin that helps you to share your WordPress post on various social media platforms automatically. By connecting your social media accounts, you can effortlessly utilize the WP Auto Post, WP Post Schedule, and Share Now features to share your WordPress posts directly to your connected social media platforms. Let's begin. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins menu and click on Add New Plugin. Now search for a plugin named BitSocial. Scroll down and find the BitSocial plugin. Then click on the Install button. The plugin has been successfully installed on your site. Then click on the Activate button. Now the plugin is activated on your site. Then go to the BitSocial. Now I will show you how to connect an account in BitSocial. First, go to the Accounts section. Now click on the Connect Account button. Here, we see 7 types of social media platforms. In future, more platforms added. Now select LinkedIn. There are 2 options for connecting a LinkedIn account in BitSocial. To connect your LinkedIn account with BitSocial, simply click on the Connect button under LinkedIn. Now sign in to your LinkedIn account. Your LinkedIn account will be displayed in the pop-up. Now click on the Save button. You will see a LinkedIn account connected in the BitSocial Accounts section. All your connected accounts can be seen here. Now you can easily share your WordPress posts to your LinkedIn account using WP Auto Post, WP Post Schedule, and Share Now features. Now I will demonstrate to you how to publish your WordPress post using the WP Auto Post feature. First, go to the WP Auto Post feature. Here, you can use search and filter to find specific platforms and accounts. Now select your account. If you enable this option, your new WordPress post will be automatically shared on your connected social media accounts. The Share Posts type feature allows you to share different types of content, such as posts, pages, media, or custom post types, to your connected social media accounts. This feature enables you to automatically share your WordPress posts with your connected social media platforms, either instantly or after a customizable delay. If you enable the Auto Post Log option, all your shared posts will be logged for review, or disabling it may prevent insights viewing and cause duplicate posts when using the scheduling module. To create or apply templates for your post, simply click on the Template button. Here, you can establish a global template that will automatically apply to both the WP Auto Post and WP Post Schedules features. Now select your social media account. You can set up the templates for LinkedIn Forms here. Under Custom Message, click on the Show Smart Tags option, then select your desired tag to personalize your post. You can also use only custom message, a link card, a feature image, a product image, or even all images as your posting type. Now I am selecting a feature image. If you enable this option, your personalized message will be shared up to 3,000 characters. Otherwise, the post will be restricted by LinkedIn's character limit. Then get back to the WP Auto Post section. Go to the WordPress dashboard and click on Add New Post. You can write something about your post here. You can also add a featured image from here. Finally, click on the Publish button. Then get back to the WP Auto Post section and click on Logs. You see your post schedule. You can also check the response, your post status. If you click on the Visit button, then you will see that the post has been successfully shared on LinkedIn. Now I will show you how to set up the WP Post Schedules feature in BitSocial. First, navigate to the WP Post Schedules section. Then click on the Create Schedule button. Give a name for your schedule. Choose the start date and time for your post. Here, you can also view the current local time. The Post Interval feature allows you to set a specific time gap between each automatically shared posts. Using this feature, you can share your post in different ways like randomly without duplicates, purely randomly, start from the oldest post to the newest, or start from the newest post to the oldest. This feature allows you to select a specific time duration when posts will not be shared. This feature enables you to choose specific days when the post is off sharing. Select the post publishing time. Your selected posts will be automatically shared to your connected platforms at the scheduled time. This feature allows you to categorize your content into different types, such as posts, pages, and media. Using this feature, you can organize your posts by categories and tags. This feature allows you to select specific posts from your list. Here, you can use search and filter to find specific platforms and accounts. Now select your account. You can see that your configured template is automatically set here. You can also customize your post message. Click on the Show Smart Tags option, then select your desired tag to customize your post. You can also include a featured image, a link card, or even all images in your WordPress posts. Now I am adding a link card. After setting up the schedule feature, simply click on the Create button. The scheduling feature for your post has been successfully enabled and its current status is active. Then navigate to the Calendar feature. Here you will see all your scheduled posts, including their publishing dates and times. You can easily manage or reschedule them from this view. You can also create a new schedule. Click on the Add Schedule button to create a new schedule. You can also pause your post schedule if needed. Then get back to the Schedules section. You can also edit and delete this schedule. Then go to the Logs. You see your post schedule. You can also check the response, your post status. If you click on the Visit button, then you will see that the post has been successfully shared on LinkedIn. Now I will demonstrate to you how to instantly share your post on your connected social media platforms using the Share Now feature. First, go to the Share Now section. Then click on the Share Post button. Here, you can use search and filter to find specific platforms and accounts. Now select your account. Input your post name. Now write your post content. You can also share link or media. Now add an image. If you want to post later, click on the Save Draft button. Your post status will be saved as a draft. You can also edit this post for further adjustments. If you want to schedule your post, simply click on the Edit Schedule button. You can easily schedule the date and time for your post to be published. But I want to post immediately. Now click on the Publish button. Then go to Logs. If your post has not been added or updated in the log after sharing your post, you can refresh your log by clicking the Refresh button. You see your post schedule. You also check the response. If you click on the Visit button, then you will see that the post has been shared on LinkedIn. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.